Today we're gonna do some kitchen chemistry with an experiment called
Fireworks in a glass!
So our ingredients to this experiment is oil, cold water,
Food colors.
and a jar. If you don't have a jar, you can use a cup. Now I'm going to start by pouring the oil. With it. Oil. We have in here food coloring. I'm going to start by the red one. 1, 2, 3 drops. Yellow one. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops. Green one. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to give it a shake. If you don't have the jar and you have a cup, so you can use a fork or a spoon to mix it.
Shake, shake, shake.
Water. Another shake. Shake, shake, shake. Now I'm going to pour it. I'm going to pour it now. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay. And now let's wait a second. Guys, I'm so excited. What about you? So now let's wait a second. I can see the red one.
Yeah,
And also the green one.
me too.
Also
I
the
can-
yellow one.
Yeah, I can see.
I can see them all. Yeah, me too. It's all falling down.
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool. And so,
Wow.
so beautiful. Even
Yeah.
if you move it, the oil stays. Okay. Wow, it's pretty cool. I like it so much. So beautiful.
It's too nice.
Yeah.
The red one's starting to fall down.
The red one is nice.
Yeah.
Also, I can see the green one in here.
Me too.
I can see also the I can see the yellow.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, and it also works.
Yeah.
That's so good.
It's too nice.
It's wonderful. Okay, and start. I can look at it all the time. Yeah, and all the day. I can actually see it in here also. Very cool. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it or no. Actually, it starts by brown color. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Okay. Here it is. I don't know if you like it or no, but I really like it.
Yeah,
Me
it's
too.
so
Beautiful.
Me too.
Wow. I can
nice.
see it all day. Only I can see the red one is the more one.
Yeah, me too.
Cannot see the yellow.
Yeah,
I really, really love this experiment.
me too.
Okay. My opinion to this experiment, it's too cool. What about you?
Yeah, so nice, and I can see it all the day.
What about you?
I love it, and it's like a party emoji. It's too nice.
Guys, you should try it. It's so funny and it also takes a second.
If you like the video,
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.